Hey everyone, and welcome to React Router tutorial in just few minutes. In this video I will show you how to use React Router in just few minutes. And if you are new, if you are just started learning React, then you have to learn this concept of React Router because it is very powerful tool and you should learn it definitely. Okay, so in this video we will see exactly how to use it in just few minutes. So before going to React Router, we have to create a React app. So I am in a folder called React tutorial, and inside this we have nothing over here, as you can see. So first of all, let's create a React app. For that I will write a command in the terminal, and the command is npx create, make sure your spelling is right, React app, then dot. So why dot? Because it will create the React app inside this folder only. Okay, so then hit enter. Alright guys, so as you can see here, React app has finally installed. Okay, and as you can see here, these are all the folders we will get and you will get when you will install React app. Okay, so don't be afraid by looking at all these folders. You just have to focus in these two folders. Okay, the first one is public, and inside this you just have to focus on this index.html. okay, so you just have to focus on this index.html, and inside this src we have our main components, and this is the main component we have here. It is called app.js. Alright, so now come to src, and inside this create a folder called components. Okay, in which we will be having all our different pages like navbar, home page, contact page, about page, etc. Okay, so just like what I have said right now, I will create a file which will be our navbar.js. okay, and let's create three more files, home.js and about.js and one more, contact.js. okay, so yes, so these four files. Okay, and this app.js is the main file. Alright, so let's come to the navbar, and before writing something we have to write the boilerplate. Okay, so if you are using VS Code, you can just write RFC and it will suggest you this shortcut. Okay, RFC, and just like that you have your boilerplate. Okay, and inside this div you can write anything. You can write your HTML. Okay, just like the normal HTML. So I will do UL, and then just like that I will create three links called home, about and contact, just like that. Okay, and to style it, let's say I will create another file called navbar.css. okay, navbar.css, and to get that I will do .css. okay, that's it. Okay, so let's see if it is working or not. I will target UL, and inside this I will do display flex, just like that. Okay, and to start your React website you have to run a command called npm run start. Okay, npm run start, that's it, and it will start your React website. Okay, so let's wait. Alright, until it will start. Okay, yes. Alright, so let's wait. And as you can see here, it is loading. Let's wait a little bit more. Alright, it will take some time. Okay, sometimes it load fast, sometimes it is slow. Okay, so as you can see here, you will also get this whenever you will create a React app. So first of all, let's remove all of these. Okay, we don't need anything in here. Okay, oops. Okay, just like that, we don't need anything. Now let's copy this line down, and also we want to import this navbar file to our app.js. okay, so first of all we will come to src. Oops. Then inside src we have our navbar.js, not navbar, we have our components. Then inside this we have our navbar.js. okay, so it is saying it cannot get the file. So let's see, we have our this here. Okay, so we don't need to write this. Okay, yeah, that's it. And now if you will see here, alright, so it is not showing anything. So let's see what is the reason. Okay, so we don't have this here. Okay, import navbar from this, you have to write like that. Okay, and now let's see. And as you can see here, we have our navbar in our React website. Okay, alright, so let's style a little bit. And as you can see, the styling is also working. Okay, because I have done display flex and it is working just fine. So I will do this. And now in the styling part, let's do first of all list style none. Okay, it will remove those dots from that. Now margin right, let's say 20 pixel. Alright, let's say 50 pixel. Okay, font size, let's say 2 area. Yes, I think this is looking great. Okay, and now I will do one more thing. I will add hover. Okay, and so whenever someone will click on hover, okay, the color will change to blue, or maybe something different. Let's say yellow. Okay, so as you can see here, it is working. And also let's do cursor pointer, and as you can see it is working. Okay, alright, so let's come to our main part, which is let's define the home.js, about.js and contact.js. Okay, let's insert some content here. Okay, I will just do home. Okay, I'll copy this here. and paste it here. Okay, save it here also, contact, save it, and just like the navbar, I will import all of this in our React, in our app.js. okay, just like that, and we have to change this also. Alright, okay, then this is our about, then this is our contact. Okay, just like that. Now is the main part. Let's clear the terminal. Okay, let's add a terminal. Okay, now we will add the React router. Okay, so let me take you to this website. As you can see here, this is a website of React router in which you will get the command to add the React router. Okay, so you just have to copy this command, React router DOM, and you have to install this. Okay, so npm I and then paste it, npm I React router DOM, and hit enter. It will install the React router in your website. Okay, in your file. Alright, so let's wait, and let me take a look in the package.json, and as you can see here, as you can see here, we have React router DOM. Okay, and this is a version 6.3.0. okay, so now we have installed React router. Okay, all right, so to add this in your app.js, again come to this website and you will get this command here. Okay, just copy this and you just have to paste it in your website, in your app.js, just like that. So this is, you have to import it from the React router DOM. And now the main part, what is the syntax. Okay, so first of all, the syntax is React router. Okay, just like that, and everything have to come under the router part. Okay, and now inside this you have to write routes. Okay, routes, then under routes you have to write route. Okay, this thing. Now inside this you have to write path. So let's say slash for home. Okay, element. Okay, and this will be our home. Okay, make sure to write in this. Okay, so first of all, format document. All right, okay, and make sure to change this switch to routes. Okay, because it has been changed. Okay, thus there is no longer any switch, it is routes. All right, so similar to home, you just have to write about and contact. Okay, I will write about and contact. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we are almost done with our React router. Now we just have to come here in navbar, and if you will take a look in our website, we have our home. Okay, and if I will go here called slash, you can get our home, and if I will write slash about, you will get about, as you can see here, and instead of about if I will write contact, contact, you will get contact. Okay, just like that. And one more thing, to add, if the link will be different. Okay, so let's come to this navbar.js, and inside this you have to first of all copy this React router import and paste it here also. Okay, but you don't need these. Okay, you just need this link. Okay, now let's copy this and add link. Okay, as you can see here, we have a link, and inside this you can write to this, just like that. Yes, just like that you have to write it to all of it. So it will be our about, it will be our contact. Okay, contact, then about. All right, so I think we are done now. Okay, so I will just reload it. First of all, I will remove this, and as you can see here, whenever I just add a link tag, so the color has changed to blue. So if I will click on home, it is just taking me to home. If I will click about, as you can see here, we are done. We have created multiple pages with the help of React router. Okay, so about, contact, home, and if you will see, the page is not even reloading. So this is the power of React router. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.